On the next question. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting first one a king of red color, second a face card, third a red face card, fourth a jack of hearts, fifth a spade, and sixth a queen of diamonds. Now come on solution part. Yes, according to the question, this is your question. Total number of cards are 52. In a deck, I have 52 cards are here. First question is a king of red color. Out of these cards, I have here two kings, 1 and 2. Two kings of red color. Then what will be the answer? See here. Red, two kings are here and total cards are 52. If you simplify, 2 1s are 2, here 26. This is 1 upon 26. This is first answer. Easy it is, two kings. Now a face card. How many face cards with us? Let me see here. Total we have 12 face cards in our deck. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 face cards are there in a deck. So what to do? How many face cards? 12 face cards. And here is 52. Okay, this will become here 2 6 are 12, here 26, 2 3s are 3 upon 13 is your answer. Then after, the question is how many red face cards? Out of these 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that black are there, I am keeping up again. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 red face cards are there. So what to write here? Number of face cards are here 6. Red face card 6. Total number of cards are 52. Then 2 3s are 6. And here is 26. 3 upon 26 is your answer. Okay. Now next question is, what is the next question there? You have to find Jack of Hearts. Jack of Hearts. Just to see how many. Only one Jack of Heart is available here. Jack of Heart. Only one. Out of how many cards? 52 cards. Very good. So see here. 1 upon 52. This is your answer. Yes. Our fifth part is we have to find probability of a spade. Okay. What is the formula? Number of spade cards upon total number of cards. We have to find out how many spade cards in a deck of cards. See here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So total we have 13 spades in a deck of cards. So I can write here 13. And total number of cards are 52. Okay, 13 on the 13, 13 4s are 52. So 1 upon 4 is your answer. Okay, next one is the Queen of Diamond. How many diamond queen in the deck of cards? See, only one. Okay, so here is 1 upon 52. This is your answer. Yes, next question. 5 cards, 10, Jack, Queen, King and S are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is then picked up at random. What is the probability that the card is the Queen? First part. Second part. If the Queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card picked up, A part and S, and B part a Queen? according to question, just to see how many cards with us. See, 10, Jack, Queen, King and S. Total these 5 cards with us. Okay. Total number of cards are 5. The card is a queen. How many queen? See here. 1 queen. Out of these 5 cards, 1 queen. So I am writing here 1 queen. And total cards are 5. This is your answer. Then second part, what is given? What they are asking? If they are taking out the queen and keep it one side. Okay, then how many remaining cards? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 cards are there. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now what is the probability and S? S means this. This is the S. Okay. Only one S is there. How many cards total? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your 1 upon 4. And see, what is the next question? A queen. How many queen remaining? See, any queen is there? No. It means no queen is 0. 0 and total number of cards 4. 0 is your